Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's quick little vlog, I had a question saying, can you eat with your retainer? You can eat with your retainer, but you cannot eat nothing hard, okay? Like you can eat something that's soft for your retainer, okay? You can only eat if you have retainer like mine that I just showed, you can eat on that part, but you can't eat with the if you're wearing bottom retainer, you can't wear on there, okay? But you could eat with them. But if you feel like you're not comfortable, you don't have to eat with it. Because most of the time, like I used to eat with it, but then there's times I felt uncomfortable because it's inside my, like it's on my teeth. But I usually take it out first because when I eat it, it feels uncomfortable. So I just eat it without it, and then when I'm done, I put it back in. So you could eat with it if you want to, but if you feel like you're not comfortable, you don't have to do that. But that is a suggestion. You do eat with them. You could eat with them. But if you feel like there's a time it's uncomfortable, you don't have to eat without them. Okay, so that's a little tip. If you were asking me, do you eat with retainers? You could, but you don't have to. Okay, that is what I think. But yeah. So you don't have to eat with the retainer, but you could. Just something soft, nothing hard, because it would damage. Let me show you. It would damage the wires right here. It would damage these wires if you eat something hard. Even if you eat an apple with it, it would damage it. So nothing hard, because it would damage your retainer. Okay, it's the same thing like if you're wearing like braces. You can eat the fruit, but you have to cut them really small, because the wiring is not so strong on your teeth, and it would damage the retainers. Okay, there are many times like if you were having braces or a retainer, it would damage. Okay, so eat something soft with the retainer, and if you feel like you're uncomfortable, you don't have to. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my tomorrow's vlog and my Wednesday's vlog. Okay, bye.